So when we do analytics, we have different kind of analytics, and we talked about it, right? For example, there are something called as, so analytics, if you just think of analytics, I always say that you divide the analytics into three parts, and one part of that is univariate analytics. Then you have bivariate analytics. Bivariate analytics. And third kind of analytics is when you pick up multiple numbers and you do multivariate analytics. When you do multivariate analytics, this bivariate analytics and multivariate analytics is a little different from univariate analytics. Univariate analytics talks about only one column of data. I'm talking about only one column, and where you apply, most of the time you apply statistics to understand this. Now if you think about bivariate analytics, bivariate is always two columns. For example, if I have one column, for example, if I say I have prices of something, if I just have only column which says price, for example, if I say price of something is 12 rupees and it is 10 rupees in March, and then in April we have 15 rupees, and then if you go like if it is 20 rupees and so on and so forth, you have only one column, then you can just pick up one column and you can do only univariate analytics after that. However, if you have something over here, for example price, and then there is something else which may be, for example, the cost of price of X, and then you have price of Y as well, then you can say something is say 40 rupees over here, then this one is 50 rupees, then this one is 50 or 59 or something, and this one is 112. And then you have two columns, and I can use these two columns as two univariate analytics. I can apply one univariate analytics with this column and the second univariate analytics with this column, and there's one univariate analytics with this, and I can use these two columns combined together to do one bivariate analytics as well. Right? Now what is this bivariate analytics? For example, if I consider this as X and I consider this as Y, right? I wanted to find out the relationship of X and Y, right? Whether X and Y has got no relationship, X and Y can have some relationship, right? If X, like this is more of a direct relationship, then you have X and Y related to 1 over Y, like which is an inversely proportional relationship. So what this means is if X is increasing, Y is also increasing. If X is increasing, Y is decreasing, and so on and so forth, right? I can just do multiple things. So if X is decreasing, then probably Y is increasing, and so on and so forth. There are multiple ways. This is called bivariate analytics. If I wanted to find out relationship of two variables, then I have multiple like multivariate analytics, wherein I wanted to say I have Z, I have P, I have Q, I have R, I have S columns, and I wanted to understand various other aspect of it. I can just apply analytics, one univariate analytics to every column, and then I can apply multiple bivariate analytics, and I can apply multiple multivariate analytics as well. This is all about different understanding of it. Now if you just think about the different analytics which can be performed, I'm just cleaning this up, right? If I just clean this whole thing up, right? So if you talk about you have, second is bivariate analytics, where you have two columns at least, right? In order to do some kind of analytics, you need to have at least two columns, and in multivariate 2+ columns. We'll do the details of understanding of what this bivariate, univariate, and multivariate analytics is, but you need to understand that this is what we wanted to do, right? When we are doing analytics, we have one column, univariate analytics, bivariate 2 columns, and multivariate we have 2+ columns. Okay, all right, so I want you to remember this diagram, and we will connect again. We'll talk about more and more in bivariate analytics and multivariate analytics.